Welcome back to our channel where we provide expert insights on various financial topics. In today's video, we will be discussing the Avant Credit Card and all that it has to offer. Whether you're looking to build or rebuild your credit, this card may be worth considering. So let's dive right in. The Avant Credit Card is designed with individuals who have fair to average credit in mind. One of the standout features of this card is its potential to help you build a positive credit history. Avant reports your activity to major credit bureaus, which means that responsible usage of this card can boost your credit score over time. One of the key advantages of this Avant credit card is its accessibility. Unlike some traditional credit cards that require an excellent credit score for approval, the Avant credit card is available to a wider range of individuals. This makes it a great option for those who are working on establishing or improving their creditworthiness. Another benefit of the Avant credit card is its personalized credit limits. Based on your individual credit profile, Avant provides you with a credit line that aligns with your financial capabilities. This feature ensures that you have access to credit while minimizing the risk of getting into excessive debt. The application process for the Avant credit card is quick and convenient. You can easily apply online, and in just a matter of minutes, you'll receive a response regarding your approval status. This streamlined process is especially helpful for those who require immediate access to credit. Now let's discuss some of the considerations you should keep in mind when considering the Avant credit card. Firstly, it is important to note that this card does have an annual fee, which may vary based on your creditworthiness. Additionally, the card may have a higher annual percentage rate, APR, compared to some other credit cards. If you tend to carry a balance, it's crucial to be mindful about these costs. Another aspect to consider is that the Avant credit card does not offer an extensive rewards program. While it provides some benefits such as credit education resources and access to Avant's online platform, it does not provide cashback or travel rewards commonly found in other credit cards. It is also important to review the terms and conditions of the Avant credit card to understand any potential fees that may apply. Late payment fees or cash advance fees could be part of the fee structure, so make sure that you're aware of these charges to avoid any surprises. Lastly, some card holders have reported challenges in obtaining credit limit increases over time. If you're looking to expand your available credit as your creditworthiness improves, this limitation could be a factor for consideration. In conclusion, the Avant credit card offers a valuable opportunity for individuals with fair to average credit to build or rebuild their credit history. Its accessibility, personalized credit limits, and credit building potential make it a viable choice. However, you should also weigh the annual fee, potential higher APR, limited rewards program, and the possibility of limited credit limit increases. That wraps up today's video. We hope this information has provided you with valuable insights into the Avant credit card. As always, make sure you do your own research and consider your financial goals before making any credit card decision. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.